Hey guys, welcome to Madison Braids. My name is Boo and today I'm going to show you how the Liz Invisible Halo extensions work. I've recently found Madison Braids, which I absolutely love. I've been using hair extensions for years and I haven't found a brand or product that I've loved so much. The quality is amazing and they make my hair thick and full. As you can see, my hair is really short and thin, and these extensions do the job by making them long and give them volume. These are the Liz Invisible Halo extensions, and as you can see, they've got a string to put them in, and today I'm going to show you how they can be styled and how you put them in your hair. I like to brush them before to get them smooth and evened out, and I love the Madison Braids brush because it really gets knots out smoothly. I'm going to start off by brushing my hair with the Madison Braids brush. I am then going to take the Madison Braids comb and divide my hair. You're going to leave about this much hair down and take the rest and put it into a clip. You then are going to take the hair extensions and take the string, wrap it around your hair over the clip and place it there. You are then going to pull the front pieces of your hair out, let go of the clip and even out your hair so that it looks very natural. I'm going to use the comb to pull out the little hairs and bring it over. Same on this side. And there you go. These amazing extensions can take you from this to this.